Hi, my name is Daniel and I am a hygiene assistant here at Facial Beauty. So I'm just going to kind of explain how it works. This will spin around your head and take the x-ray. I always love helping people, but I'm very hands-on and I love learning things, so this is a great place to be hands-on. The quality of care that people receive when they come here is, I think, one of the best. We are here to make sure they get what they need. We are going to make a treatment plan specifically for that person, and we just want them to know that we care about them and that we are going to do whatever we can to fix whatever problem they have. All my coworkers, they are always willing to help and get us all through the day. Come see us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.